Hey guys, it's John Mazzano here. I hope you guys are doing well today or tonight. Did you know you can now link a reel on the Instagram app? I'll show you how it works. This is a new feature. Okay, check it out. Let's go. Alright, so what we're gonna do is to open up Instagram app. I'm already on my Instagram app, so what we're gonna do is actually create a reel. Alright, so we're gonna actually choose this video that I've actually already created. Right now, we're gonna pause it. We're going to press this arrow button on the right top. And from here, you can see hashtags, link a reel, poll, and prompt. This is the new one that we're going to use, link a reel. All right, so what's happening here is it's gonna try and get all your previous posted videos from your Instagram app. So let's see, probably this one. All right, so you can add a caption here. Let's say, hey, check it out. And you can also add a title here, acoustic cover. All right, so after that, you can just press OK, and it will say at the bottom, linked reel, acoustic cover. All right, so let me know if you have this feature. Pretty cool. Cheers, bye, take care.